Are you decorating your home and unknowingly using trends that make it look outdated? You might be. Today, I'm revealing the interior design trends that need to go now. Whether it's colors, furniture, or decor items, these trends are officially over, and I'll show you what to replace them with so your home looks modern and stylish. I share practical interior design tips to make your home look amazing without breaking the bank. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let's dive in. Trend number one, all gray interiors. Gray was everywhere for years, but now it can make your space feel cold and lifeless. Mix in warm neutrals like beige, cream, or soft taupe. Add texture with natural wood, brass, or layered fabrics to make your home feel inviting. Number two, farmhouse overload. Shiplap walls, distressed wood furniture, and sliding barn doors were fun 5 years ago. Now they can feel outdated and kitschy. Opt for modern rustic or mixed material furniture. Pair reclaimed wood with sleek metal or minimalist decor for a more elevated look. Trend 3. Live, laugh, love, and other word signs. While meaningful words are nice, oversized wall art with generic phrases is overdone. Choose art that speaks to your style, abstract paintings, photography, or a unique gallery wall. Your walls should feel personal, not cliche. Number 4, perfect matching furniture sets. Buying a complete sofa, love seat, and table set can make a room look like a showroom, not a home. Mix and match pieces. Combine textures, colors, and materials to make the space feel layered and curated. That's the real designer touch. Trend 5. High gloss white kitchens and living rooms. Sure, it looks clean in photos, but in reality, it can feel sterile and cold. Introduce soft neutrals, natural wood, or matte finishes. A few pops of color and texture make the space feel warm and modern. Number 6, extreme minimalism. Bare walls, empty shelves, and minimal decor can make your home feel more like a gallery than a cozy living space. Add warmth with textiles, plants, and meaningful decor. The trick is to balance minimalism with personality. Trend 7. Mirrored furniture everywhere. While mirrors can add elegance, overusing mirrored tables or dressers can feel dated and overwhelming. Use mirrored pieces sparingly, maybe a side table or accent piece, and mix with wood or metal for contrast. Number 8. Too much shiny metal. Chrome, silver, and overly shiny gold everywhere can feel cold or gaudy. Swap for matte or brushed finishes. Matte gold, black metal, or mixed metals give a high-end, sophisticated feel without looking over the top. Trend 9. Open shelves in every room. While open shelving can be stylish, when overdone, it makes rooms feel cluttered or forced. Use a mix of closed and open storage. Keep shelves curated with carefully chosen decor, books, and plants for a modern, intentional look. And finally, number 10, too many bold patterns at once. Mixing multiple busy patterns can overwhelm a space and make it feel chaotic. Stick to one statement pattern, then layer neutrals and textures. This creates depth without visual chaos. So let's recap the 10 interior design trends that need to go. All gray interiors, farmhouse overload, generic word wall art, matching furniture sets, glossy white everything, extreme minimalism, overused mirrored furniture, shiny metallics, open shelving everywhere, busy pattern overload. Replace these trends with warm neutrals, layered textures, mixed materials, and curated decor to give your home a modern, high-end look. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more interior design tips, and comment below which trend are you ditching first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.